Ordinary mercury lamps emit light through the ionization of mercury vapor. They have poor spectral continuity, a relatively short service life, usually 200 to 500 hours, require preheating before use, and are difficult to adjust in terms of light intensity. Compared with mercury lamps, LED light sources emit light through electronic transitions, featuring high spectral purity and a long service life. For example, Mshot's LED light sources can reach a service life of 50,000 hours. They are ready to use immediately without preheating and are very easy to adjust in light intensity. Therefore, using LED light sources is a wiser choice. LED light sources reduce light damage, making them more suitable for live cell imaging and protecting the safety of your cells. At the same time, they greatly improve experimental efficiency and reduce usage costs. Mshot's LED light sources can switch between monochromatic lights at will, meeting the needs of multi-fluorescence labeling experiments. And if you need LED light sources, Mshot can help you. Follow us to learn more about microscopy.